Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm traveling to Europe for next 10 days. I'm traveling today, and this very last moment I have to pack my travel makeup bag along with my travel jewelry pouch. Yes, without further ado, let's get started. If you are new here, I'm Shruti. I make content on fashion, lifestyle, beauty, travel, and home organization. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button if you are interested in my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. In my previous video where I'm packing my skincare for travel, I have used this clear Ziploc bag because this is TSA friendly. I have already mentioned the rules and regulations that you should keep in mind while traveling via flight. So if you want to know more about the rules and regulations, please go ahead and watch the pack with me for skincare video. I'll add the link to the description box below. And for makeup, let's start. For the first category is makeup tools. So I'm carrying few of them with me and I'll show you. I use this brush for powder, blush and everything where I have to cover a large area. You can see this has quite a large surface area, and this is a fluffy brush, so I carry this for my powder and blushes. This is a bit dense brush, you can see here. I like to use it for my under eye powdering, and also along with that to use as to mix under eye concealers, and where you can see it's a dense brush. And this is one eyeshadow brush. So talking about brushes, I think these three are more than enough for your travel. One dense one fluffy one, and one for eyeshadow. But if you are someone who can also do your makeup very quickly, very easily with your hand, I can do it, but since it's a long trip, so I'm carrying my brushes along with me. Otherwise, I'm someone, I just need a powder brush, because for powder you can't do by hand. But apart from that, you can use these two. You can use eyeshadow, and for concealer you can also pat it by hand and mix it. So these three brushes will go inside my makeup pouch. I'm carrying two sponges with me because I'm traveling for 10 days and I know it will get dirty, and I won't get time to wash it, to dry it and to use it again. And so for that I'm using two sponges. You can see there is a difference between them. This is a flat head, this is for under eye again, setting powder, and this to just mix your normal foundation. I'm also carrying one puff along with me. This is very handy for all the powder thing, just in case. I already have powder puff in one of my powder case, but still I'll carry one more. Moving on to base. When we talk about base, we talk about primers, foundations, concealers, correctors, settings powder, setting spray. Here is something that I want to tell you about myself. I'm not someone who does a lot of makeup when I'm traveling. I like to do a very light makeup when I'm traveling, so I'm not carrying very bulky foundation. I'll just carry a stick foundation. This is Bobbi Brown foundation in shade Warm Natural. This is a stick foundation. You can see there won't be any spillage or something. And also, since I'm not using a lot, and if I just want to use it as a sheer coverage, so this foundation, I really love this foundation because this provides you very sheer to buildable coverage. So if you are also someone who doesn't wear a lot of foundation when you are traveling, then invest in a stick foundation, or for that matter you can use a CC cream or BB cream which doesn't spill, and this is very travel friendly product. So I have open pores issues near my nose, so I always travel with primers along with me. So there are two primers that I am using. One is silicone based and one is cream based. Two, because silicone base are good for nights when you want a perfect blur, but in the day I think this tiny small size cream based primer is good when you have to apply sunscreen and all. I just love this one more for the daytime and this one for the night time. These both are from Smashbox. I really love primers from Smashbox. And also I think Benefit Cosmetics does a really good primer. So if you want to check out, you can check out Benefit Cosmetics Smashbox in bit medium range. So I'm just putting all of these inside this bag. For the next category is concealers and correctors. So I'm someone who are mostly good with concealer. So, and this concealer from Maybelline is obviously cult favorite. People rave about it, and even I use this, and this is so good. This is in shade 130 from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So this I'm using this concealer, and also I'm traveling with a corrector because you never know if I want to get too much ready, then I like to cover my hyperpigmentation a bit more. So for that, a corrector, although you can completely skip this and you can just travel with a concealer, and that's good. A strobe cream, this I use particularly in days. At night I like to apply highlighter because when I'm doing a lot of makeup, but this I like to use in daytime when even I'm not using a lot of foundation. So I'll just use this, a bit of concealer, and that's. I'll post my get ready with me from Europe in the short section, so do follow me and check out how I get ready for days and nights. Setting powder, this is from Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. This is so good, and it's in a travel friendly size. I also use Maybelline Square Box 1 powder, but that's very bulky in size, so once if this one gets over, I'll just pour it here and use this one. This is very good size. And last for base is this setting spray. This I got from a gift, and this is from Makeup Forever. You see, I have not used it much, so I'll try in this trip. Let me know if you want to see the review of how it works and everything. So I'll try it for the first time as well. And this one setting spray, because I really like dewy makeup. Any setting spray for that matter gives a very natural finish. So if you are someone who are more into natural finish makeup, then always carry a setting spray with you. Moving on to blush, highlighter, bronzer. So I carry two blushes with me. So one is Benefit Cosmetics lip tint, cheek and lip tint. So this I particularly use for all my day trips, because when I want that natural glow, no makeup look, then I use this Benefit tint. And next is Rare Beauty blush in shade Rose. You can see this is such a good pigmented color. I really like this one. This is quite buildable. I like this one for all my night outs. I do not like to contour and bronze a lot, so I carry this Hoola mini bronzer with me. So I carry this bronzer with me. If I want to do a bit of contouring or bronzing, then this product is more than enough. This is in very small size, travel friendly size. Next is a highlighter. Again, I really like to use highlighter for nights. For day, I just use a strobe cream from MAC or from any brand, and this highlighter is so good from Wet n Wild. I got it 3 years back and still going strong. Moving on to eyes, I like to use one liner. This is a liquid liner, and this is so good. This is from L'Oreal. And this is so good. This is so easy to apply. But also along with that, I like to carry a L'Oreal Kajal eyeliner, which I'm also applying now. It's very easy peasy, 1 minute. You just apply. You can apply it in one go. I like to carry this one, and also one more L'Oreal blue eye pencil. This is again so good if you want to change your look, if you want to apply a blue liner or something. So this is again very nice. And with all these pencils, I like to carry a sharpener, because we need to sharp this one and this one, as these two coals as well. So I carry a sharpener always with me. In my daytime routine, if I'm doing like 5-minute makeup, I always use a brow pencil to do my brows, and lipstick or some tint, and that's it. This is one product that I know I'll use for every single day for my trip, so this will definitely go inside. Next is a mascara. This is from Benefit mascara in travel size. I really like this. Elongates your eyelashes and also gives a volume to them, right volume to them. So this is really good. Also, this is in travel size, so anything that is travel size is traveling with me now today. For eyeshadow, I have two options. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this has all the soft colors and quite buildable. So if you can see, these all pink shades are so good for days. So also if you want to do a smoky eye, this black shade is really nice. If you want to do a shimmery eyes, this is good. So I'm carrying this one. This is a very small one in all palette, and this is also the only palette that I'm carrying with me for eyeshadow. There is one more eyeshadow stick that again I got from Laura Mercier. This is again a free sample product, and I really like this. This is just a shimmer, and it's a very easy peasy. Just apply it and you're good to go if you are getting ready in 2 minutes. So I'm carrying this as well. Moving on to the lip products. So I'm carrying one lip pencil in pink color. I have to sharpen it. This is from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Lips Don't Lie in shade Sweetheart Pink. This I'm carrying just only one liner in pink color. If you are someone who likes to use different kind of lipstick, I am someone who likes to use a lot of pinks and reds, so a pink liner is good for me. But if you are someone who likes to use so many colors, different colors on your lips, then you can also go for a nude lip liner, and that's easy to use with every lipstick. For red shade, I'm taking two lipsticks with me. One is MAC Ruby Woo, the cult favorite. I always carry this with me. And there is one more lipstick. This is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncensored. This is again a very nice lip paint kind of, and such a good tomato red. So I really like to carry this one with me. So I'm taking it along. One nude lipstick that I like to carry is from Smashbox Babe Alert. I really love this lipstick, but the problem with this is it really washes me out because it's too nude for me. So to fix this, I use a dark lipstick, this berry color dark lipstick in the lining outer, and fill it with this. I'll do a shorts on how I use a very light color lipstick that washes you out, a nude lipstick that washes medium to dark skin tone out, and how to use it. This combo will go right inside my bag. And lastly, the one that I always carry with me is the perfect pink color lipstick from Bobbi Brown. This is in the shade Rebel Rose. See here, it's such a good pink shade. So yeah, this will also go in my bag. And the last product that won't go inside this bag, but it will go with me in my sling bag or something that I can easily pick when I want to, is this Studio Fix MAC powder in shade NC40. I really like this for touch-ups, for just to on the go if you want to set your whole makeup. Then this is a very nice, and I always carry this one in my sling bag and not in my makeup pouch. One nail paint which I am currently applying as well. I have to change it. It's a bit old now. So is yellow one. It's perfect summer appropriate nail paint which I'm carrying with me. And last product is a perfume, which I think I always carry either in my skincare bag or a makeup bag, but I always carry a perfume with me. This is again a travel size. It's just this much that is remaining. I have almost used it, so I'll see if I can finish it off in this Europe trip. And that's it for my makeup pouch, guys. It's done. Very exhaustive makeup that I'm taking along with me. This is not something that I always take with myself because I'm not always on Europe trip, right? I just take 2 or 3 products, but since also I'm shooting it, I wanted to let you know that I do carry a lot of makeup if I'm going for some exotic vacation or something. So moving on to jewelry, I really like to carry jewelry in this small sturdy box, so that my jewelries are not mixed with any other thing, not getting tangled. My necklaces are not getting tangled, and everything is at one place. So this I got from Amazon. I'll add a link in the description box below. I have also included in my Amazon favorite videos for travel. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and please watch the video. Starting with the jewelries that I'm taking along with me and why. So this one, golden hoops. This I really like this one. This you can style for any night outfits. Also, I'm someone who is golden undertone or yellow undertone or warm undertone. So golden anything suits very good on me, more than silver. So I'm carrying golden hoops with me. You can also carry a silver hoops with me if you like to wear silver hoops. Do carry hoops with you, it's very versatile. With that, I'm carrying a black earring. You can see over here. I'm carrying this with me. This is again a very good, very beautiful earring. It looks so good for night out, night dinner outfits. So yeah, I'll keep this one along with me. Also, I'm carrying this white drop earrings. I really like this one for styling in days outfits in the daytime, and it really good. It really looks. It gives a shape to your face, and this is really nice. I always carry this one along with me as well. So one pro tip if I can give you is carry golden earrings, silver earrings, or carry white and black, which you can style with multiple outfits. So you do not have to carry one earring for every outfit that you are carrying. I'm also carrying one silver pendant for whenever I'm going out, and if I do not want to wear an earring, I'll just wear the silver pendant. This is a gold layered neck piece. I really like to wear this one, style it for all my dinner and night outfits. This is one big piece of necklace that I'm carrying with me because I'm planning to wear a corset top. Wanted a big necklace to style with that. Do follow me and see how I style these pieces on my outfits. Also, I'm carrying with me this rhinestone earrings, drop earrings. This again looks good for all the nights, for all the dinners. So I'm also planning to keep this with me. This is one set that I'm carrying with me. You can see it has all the small studs here and a few drop earrings. So I've packed all my jewelries in this box, and you can see how much it have fitted inside. So I'll just close it, and that's it. I have all my makeup and jewelries packed to go along with me. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe the channel. There are a lot of travel vlogs that are coming on this channel, and also a lot of get ready with me on shorts and also on the videos. So do follow me for all the updates that are coming our way. And with that, bye bye, but see you soon in the next vlog. Bye.